After the Ichamati's issue re-emerged recently, the HNYF National Youth Front Women's Wing on Tuesday conducted a meeting in Usosotham Auditorium to discuss on the issue that has really stirred up the feelings of the people in the state. In the meeting, women from all walks of life attended to show their concern and with one voice stood together to fight the ones who tried to disrupt the peace and harmony in the state. The organization condemned such act and reiterated that the government should find and punish the three who dare to disrupt peace in the state, stating that the locals are ill-treating the Hindus residing in Ichamati, where in reality the locals are the victims in the Ichamati incident in which one of the KSU members lost his life. Srimati B. Jarwa said, those who went to submit the complaint letter to the governor had done so without any solid ground. She further said, for decades, the non-tribal have been residing peacefully and they have a proper place for business. Jarwa further said, how are the tribal to be blamed when they say that the tribal had ill-treated the non-tribal anywhere in the state, be it in Police Bazaar or Yodo? Most of the shops are of the non-tribal. The one who are in the footpaths are the tribal people. But talk about the tribal, we don't see any of the local from here to set up their business anywhere outside the state except here in the state itself.
Baladaki wai jai gunre ki basoma po state Meghalaya juni hanat yes jungi ladaki don gana kata ka jingsam jinge ka jingsa le kata ka jingsa kani ben ya kita ki kumbaki batai ban cek pot cek selar ngi ki badai hom ki trai kasi trai mlong ngi le ben damdai ke jing le ben ngi di ban tiak baki breu ki dei ki balawan haus nem ayu nani hau gunai ayu namar kum bajia hi na do bungyo histep la ka jam na do isnem nyo ar te kum ye kitu ki buru ki bawan hadian ngen nam pudiang su don kam ban sek ban la ya ka jing sisa hinten safang ka kam bela ka kam sni hamni hapo asit Meghalaya juni baro ki cek gunriu ki yo lo nrai kham duna ki kasi jongi bakin lek tanang ni hapo asam ro bakin lek kamai jahro kin namla ban somotang pot patru hai hilang kita ki jaguri ki wei ban salia ben hapo pinpai hayo molong we pinpai hapo plis bajar dan kan ki wei ki jaguri kasi jongi som supa tinggi lo ben ei mana kan bisa re kata tentang korupsi ubia hakimar ki maka ki basem dukan ki beri jongi hapo putpat dilebay mana le mengi nganum nyo keteng ngano tangki bayar untuk kita kesusu deh mereka berpikiran apa kami dia ki omba ki kuangan salen ni kasih jongi lada dei puri abang kau jong kasken Meghalaya ti ude banuan apa Meghalaya in banuan salen boleh upan sekal kata hangtu ngelako ki keteng jong gitu ki breu boleh pun kita rene ki long kami mana berpelan po sosial media mangide ki breu ki ba iban jan breu nre hangi kalau pa kita beri ke basam kisuk kumbagran ni long kami vai presiden jongi menne ya ilakran lagi hindiru kenal bagi kita beri ke soso dengar dengan keren kasih nama arba aku aman penyosnya nama arba ya snow po YouTube ukuran kasih pura uni guru tildang lanang pun keren kasih ulama di pau kasih boleh upat sekal kata wali posten Meghalaya banyak hendo dengar serai konserang ka kami jongi rudan ni bakwa bani hendo batu lada ka jinghane ban saya suknoro ni